Hi everyone, today we have a problem when we are given houses and the heaters. So for example, in this case we are given houses which are located in the position 1, 4 and 8. They are located in the position 1, 4 and 8, and also we are given heaters which are located in the position 2 and the 10. So what we need to do is our end goal right here. Our end goal is to get all these houses heated. So for example, in this case, the heater that is in the position 2, it will heat the houses in the position of 1 and the 4. So the minimum distance in this case, the radius is required is 2, because if it's located in the middle, it's located in the middle, and the 4 minus 2 gives us 2, and the 2 minus 1 gives us 1. If the radius here will be 2, it will heat 4 and the 1, right? And another one at the located at the so the house at the position 8, it will be heated by the heater located at the position 10, because it's the closest one, and it's the closest one, and the 10 minus 2 gives us 2. So we need to return the minimum required radius, right? So minimum radius that will heat all the houses. So that's the first example. Let's take another example so for it to be more clear. In the second example, we have houses located at the 1, 2, 3, 5, 15 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 5 and the 15, right? We have 5 houses here, and we have only 2 heaters located at the position 2 and located at the position 30. So for house 1 will be heated by this heater, right? Located at the position 2, and the same 3, because this is the closest one. For each house, what our goal should be, right? Our goal should be to find the closest heater. So all these houses until 5, it will be heated by the heater at the position 2. But how about the house at the position 15? So there are 2 options, either 30 or 2. 30, it's 15 position. The radius until 30 is 15, but the radius until the position 2 is 15 minus 2 is 13. So that's why the result here we are returning as 13. So again, what is our goal here? Our goal is that to know the positions of the heaters, and for each house to find what is the closest heater for that house, right? And maintain that radius, so maintain the maximum radius. For example, in this case, the maximum that we go is 13, right? This one. So that's why we are returning minimum required radius as 13, because anything below that will not heat all the houses. So what we do as an approach, right? The approach is, what we do is we are creating one tree set, and we are adding all the heaters to our tree, right? So we are adding all our heaters to our tree, and then we are going over our houses, and we are finding floor and the ceiling, right? So what's that mean? So here we are using a tree set which is under the hood uses the red black tree, right? So we are adding them into the tree set, and at each step for each house we are finding what is the closest heaters located at the left and to the right of this house. Let's say, for example, for 15, right, we are finding what is this floor, which give us 2, and 30, which gives us ceiling, which gives us 2, and the floor gives us 2, and the ceiling gives us 30, right? We are finding the houses that are located to the left and the right, and then we are what we do. So for each house, right? So we are taking what is the right distance, what is the left distance, and what is the right distance. For example, left distance here is 13, and the right distance here is 15. So 15 and 13, right? And then we are taking the minimum radius, right? So we want to get the minimum radius, because in this case 15 is 2 points farther than the 13. So we are taking the minimum radius, right? So this is the minimum radius, but again we need to, and then what we do at each step, right? So we are taking the maximum radius. So whatever the radius is, we are taking either that radius or either maximum radius of we are taking the maximum of the maximum radius and the current radius, right? So why we are doing that? For example, here, let's say, right, our radius is 13. So our minimum radius should be 13 at least in order to hit all the houses. That's why we are here taking the maximum value and we are returning the max here.